Hey guys, we received this JUKMO leather belt or ratchet belt for test and try. So it comes really in a nice gift box. So you can easily gift to someone, and this looks premium quality as well. The packing with a nice box here. So this one here, I can see like it opens up, and then the buckle is actually in a nice leather type like packing so that there is no scratch, and then the belt. You can also adjust this belt. So the packing really no premium as I said, and then you can easily give it to as a gift to someone. And this is the belt, and you can see the marking here. So you can adjust or cut the belt based on your requirement. So this is also a nice feature, and the mark is there. Then you can just put it in this buckle. So just put it in here, and you can just lock it up. So once locked up, um, you can easily just put in the belt, and this is the ratchet design. So this will hold up. See, like very comfortably and smoothly, it is going inside. It is not coming out, and it's holding well with it. And also looks really nice thing here. So overall, it's a really nice belt, easy to smoothly coming in and out, adjustable, and with a buckle thing. Look really nice and very nice belt.